Hey guys, this is Mom and Angel TV. You are welcome to my channel. Today is Valentine's Day. Guys, how are you enjoying your Valentine? Are you going out or you're at home? Like me, I want to take some fresh air. I want to take a walk. Like walk. I want to take some fresh air. Okay? And I've called my friends and family to wish them happy Valentine's Day. I hope you did so. I hope you've called yours too. Anyway, I want to wish you guys happy Valentine's Day to my friends, my family, and my subscribers. I wish you all happy Valentine's Day. See you on my next video. Please subscribe, share, and like. As you do so, God bless you. This is Mom and Angel TV, and bye.